The PNI Voyager S1700 is a car DVR-dashcam with G-sensor, gravity sensor function, and Ultra HD video resolution 4K, 2K or 1080 pixels changeable. It is a compact and discreet device with a 3.0-inch IPS screen 640 by 480 designed to record high-quality video images while driving. The PNI Voyager S1700 DVR car camera has a generous 3-inch IPS screen on which you can view recorded images. You can also see the images taken by the reversing camera on the screen. Note: the reversing camera is not included. The screen also allows access to the DVR setting menu. The PNI Voyager S1700 records video at a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, providing extremely clear images. This is especially useful for identifying license plates and other details even in low light conditions. Through the parking function, the car DVR can monitor the vehicle even when it is parked and the engine is turned off. The DVR automatically starts recording if motion or an impact is detected, helping to save incidents such as knocks or vandalism.